Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this look for you guys. I wanted to keep it very warm, very summer friendly, very summertime inspired. This is the look that I created. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, I really tried to I stayed with my normal like makeup routine, but I incorporated new products. Not necessarily products that I've never tried before, but products that I've never like reviewed on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Use a Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 6, and I'm going to use the Brow Contour Pro in the shade Brown Black Deep, and I'm going to just use the two darkest shades in a little pen to just like fill out my brow. After I just did my brows really quickly, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer, the Pro Concealer in the shade 410. And then for the foundation that I'm going to use is also from Fenty, which is the shade number 440. Then just to kind of clean up the top part of my brow, I'm going to use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear concealer in the shade number 510 Suede C. I'm going to just blend it with a sponge. So the palettes that I'm going to use my old almost dropped it. My old Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, which is this one, and I'm going to take this shade here. Take the yellow from the Juvia Zulu palette up here at the top in the middle, and I'm gonna just kind of blend that like in between the crease and the crease color in my eyebrow. Take the Louise base in the shade Rumor number 3, and I'm gonna just begin to carve out my lid. Crease color, I'm actually going to just use this shade right here. Just to try to blend out the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to just take the orange shade from the Zulu palette and just mix that color with the yellow that I had, just to kind of give it like a nice like sunset eye look. And then I'm going to just take this shade right here and just kind of like darken up the edge of my, because I don't really want to blend it up high, but I'm just keeping it very close to my lash line just to kind of create some like more dimension and depth in the eye. And then, being that everything that's happening, I haven't been back to Sephora to pick up some lashes, so I popped by the beauty supply store and I got, what's going on? I got these like little lashes. I thought they would look cute with whatever look that I came up with, so we gonna see. It's been a minute. It's been like a few years since I've actually worn beauty supply store lashes. In high school, those are my thing. I was at the beauty supply store like every week buying new lashes. So they look like this. Anastasia foundation stick in the color Earth and just kind of contour out my face. Just take my Sephora 56 brush and just blend that out. I'm just taking the Urban Decay Quick Fix just to kind of remelt the concealer. And I just take a little bit of the Born This Way concealer and Butterscotch and just kind of add that in the inner corner just to give it a little bit more highlight. I'm gonna just take the same Mineralize skin finish and just kind of set the highlighted areas, and then I'm gonna go in with my I'm just patting it in, and I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty powder just to set it with my loose powder. You can take any bronzer that you like to typically use. I was thinking about making this video like an all Fenty video, like all Fenty makeup video, especially like complexion products, but I've tried the Fenty bronzer and like the darkest one is a little too red for me, and then the second to last one is just, it doesn't cut it, so I'm gonna just stick to my go-to bronzer. Normally I would do like a purple, normally I would do like a blue, like this shade of blue liner from Marc Jacobs, but I cannot find it right now, which is really odd and kind of upsetting. But it's fine. I'm gonna just use the closest thing I have, which I've never used this before. It's the, and that's fine because I was trying to use like new things anyway. So the Lancome Dramatic Liquid Pencil. See, like the blue would normally like pop way more. I can't really tell if you guys can see it, but like in person it's cool, but it's not blue. And I'm just taking the mascara. This is the Sephora Collection Volume On Mascara in navy blue on. And then for my blush, I'm going to use the Colorpop. For my blush, I'm going to use the Colorpop Super Shock Cheek Matte in, I guess, Kaepop Flushed. It's literally K-A-E-P-O-P Flushed. Okay. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Amrezy highlighter. So for my lip combo, I'm going to use my DIOR Lip Contour Crayon in the number 987. And then my Huda Beauty Girlfriend, it's in the color Girlfriend, it's their liquid lipstick. So here is the final look. I genuinely like the way this came out. It's very summertime friendly. It's very orangey. I am in love with this complexion. It looks so good, especially since I'm like being challenged with some skin issues right now. Like if you guys like saw me in person, like you would see like I have like a pimple right here, and then like I have, it's not like huge like cystic situation, thank God. I only experienced that like once in my life, like when I was a teenager. But like I've always been challenged with like small pimples just right on like this area, like my cheekbone area, my the apples of my cheek, which kind of sucks. But you know what, I'm very grateful because I know like other people like experience like way worse, and like I'm working on it. I'm working towards a clearer skin, and yes, and I like how it doesn't necessarily like affect my makeup, because like even though they're not like crazy raised. They're not extremely raised from the skin, so it's not like, oh my god, you know, it's just like, okay, you know, it's a little something. But besides the point, I don't know why I started talking about acne, but I really like this. Like I feel like, I don't know, it's produced like a different, you know, ooh. It produced like a different look. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about well, I was gonna say any of the products that I use, but I'm gonna list that down below. But if you guys have any questions or any videos that you want me to film for you guys, let me know. I have a lot of time on my hands now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.